So buy position is open. Friends, if you want to have the same kind of results as me, hello guys and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. And for those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader and I am a professional trader in the field of Forex and binary options. So today, as always, I'm going to tell you how to make millions on this market, and if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. We're hitting the middle line. Okay, let me open buy position as I planned before, because we're highly likely to break through the middle line of the Bollinger Bands channel and continue growing significantly towards the upper edge of the Bollinger Bands channel. So buy position is opened. It's profitable one. We have around $1,276 on the account. Bollinger Bands channel. Let me change our investment from $300 to $400. And let me open sell position. Continuation of the current drop, expecting the potential breakthrough of the bottom line of the current Bollinger Bands channel. So this trade was unfortunately not profitable. We have $876 on the account right now, less than we had at the beginning, but let me recover the loss. So now we're staying on the bottom line of this channel. Let me change our investment to $876. We're going all in right now, and I have opened sell position right now in order to see whether we can break the bottom line or not. I'm quietly sure that we can do this, so that's why I'm going all in right now. Anyway, we need to risk, we need to recover the loss, so let's do this. So it's done. We have $1,681 on the account right now. Let's proceed further. Here we were touching the resistance line zone of the current flat channel. After this, we started receiving the pullback reaction going down. Now we're staying on the middle line of the Bollinger Bands channel, and we are highly likely to break through it. So that's why I'm helping sellers to do this right now, investing my $500 on this trade and waiting for potential drop right now. So unfortunately it's lost once again. We were not able to break through the middle line. We just started receiving the pullback reaction from it. Let me recover the loss. Let me check out the NZD. According to the Vortex oscillator, we're in the flat zone right now, but with a high possibility of creation of the downgoing movement. So that's why I have invested $1,000 in this trade, opening the sell position here, and I'm expecting us to have a nice drop here. By the way, my friends, while you are watching this video, don't forget to open the description to it and subscribe to my private teacher, where you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions as this, and you will be able to join them and get your cash daily. And together with this, you will be able to get access to the best trading signals, analytics, and educational materials that will help you to become a professional and experienced trader. And if you want to have the VIP services, it's absolutely free. All you need for this is just write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, and I will immediately add you to VIP channel. So that's why don't waste your time. Check the description right now and subscribe to my private TJ. While I was talking, we have closed this trade with profit, and we have around $2,101 in the account right now. I have drawn for you the trend line. As you can see, price is hitting the trend line right now, so that's why we're highly likely to start receiving the pullback reaction from this point. That's why we have once again invested $1,000 in this trade. and let's see what will we get. I'm investing such a big amount of money right now only because we need to start earning profit significantly really fast, because we have spent a lot of time on the trading already, having made several mistakes, and now we need to recover from all of this shit. So that's why I started using big volumes of money. And as you can see, we started recovering much faster. We already have some nice profit on the account. So that's it. Let's continue doing this and we will see what will be next. For now, the situation that we have looks really good. The price is dropping and just several seconds left and we will see the results of it. Done, we have $3,021 on the account right now, so let's continue, guys. Euro TRA. Let me change our investment to $500. Right, I think I'm almost sure that this trade will be failure, but we still have time for another one. Okay, so this trade is a failure. This trade is a failure, and I think that's enough for today. Anyway, we have 2,521 bucks. We have gained a lot. At the beginning, if you remember, we had just $1,000. Now we have 2,521 bucks. Anyway, it's a nice profit for today. So, my friends, if you want to have the same kind of results as me, you can easily do this by joining my VIP channel and getting access to the best services ever and making the same amount of money as me each day. So I'm waiting for all of you. See you all and bye bye.